So this is the 1957 Thunderbird, a total restoration, a rotisserie of an extremely high level, interior, exterior, everything looking good on this car. The chrome was redone. It sat inside the front of his law office, a black one and a red one. We have the red one too. So it sat there, and this was a rotisserie. The bottom looks just as nice as the top. I have video probably of underneath. I'll let that go through. It's a little dark in the showroom, so you don't really see how beautiful this car is like you do when it's in person. Besides the exterior looking amazing, the interior is beautiful. It starts and runs excellent. Interior is beautiful. I'll turn the key so you can hear it start. And that's running. Gotta pull on that switch. Okay, so open the hood for you guys. I did not pull on it hard enough. Got one side open. Hold on. That's running right there too. Aftermarket air conditioning. Brand new battery, aftermarket air. It's a 12-volt car from the factory. The only thing, if I was going to do this, we could touch up the intake manifold. That's your flaw in the whole car. Otherwise, this car is just beautiful. Ice cold air. Runs and drives excellent. Brakes are nice. Very responsive.